Hey there, road warriors. Ready to hit the open road with your family this summer? Before you rev up those engines, let's make sure you're prepared with our top 15 must-know road trip essentials and travel hacks. These tips will keep you smiling and stress-free from start to finish. Let's roll! First up, plan your route. But don't stop there. Always have a plan B. Did you know that 80% of travelers encounter unexpected roadblocks? Whether it's construction or that shortcut Google Maps didn't quite get right, be ready to pivot. And hey, sometimes the detour is the adventure. Less is more when you're on the road. Aim for versatility and pack light. Statistically, 65% of families overpack. Keep it simple and remember, there's always a store nearby if you forget something. And leave room for those quirky souvenirs you'll inevitably pick up. We once packed so much we had to choose between the kids or the luggage. Just kidding, but really, pack smart. Hungry kids or cranky kids, stock up on healthy snacks to keep everyone happy. Fruits, nuts, and yes, a few fun treats too. Stat alert. Families spend an average of $30 more per day if they don't pack snacks. Keep your budget and your sanity in check. We learned the hard way that road trip snacks are non-negotiable when our kids tried to make lunch out of gas station gummy bears. Never again. Hydration is key. Keep plenty of water on hand and know your bathroom stops. Fun fact: the average family stops 5 times on a 6-hour road trip just for bathroom breaks. Keep everyone hydrated and happy, but plan those pit stops wisely. We once had to stop in the middle of nowhere for an emergency potty break. Thank goodness for those portable travel potties. Happy kids make for a peaceful ride. Bring along books, games, and tablets loaded with their favorite shows. Did you know 70% of families say keeping kids entertained is the hardest part of a road trip? Stay ahead with a stash of fun activities. We once resorted to a who can stay quiet the longest game. It worked for 5 minutes. Safety first. Pack an emergency kit with essentials like a first aid kit, flashlight, batteries, and basic tools. Here's a fact: 30% of road trippers experience car trouble. Be ready for anything and keep your family safe on the road. We once had a flat tire in the middle of nowhere. Luckily, our 10-year-old knew more about tire changes than we did. Thank you, YouTube tutorials. Nothing beats a good road trip playlist or podcast. Prep your entertainment ahead of time and keep everyone grooving and laughing. Fun fact: the right music can boost your mood by 20%. So load up those road trip anthems and family-friendly podcasts. We once spent an entire trip singing 99 bottles of juice on the wall. Trust us, a pre-made playlist is a lifesaver. Road trips can add up, but with the right apps you can keep costs down. Use apps for finding cheap gas, budget-friendly dining, and last-minute hotel deals. Did you know you can save up to 15% on fuel by using discount apps? Thanks to a gas app, we once saved enough on fuel to splurge on an extra round of mini-golf. Win-win! Keep your devices charged and ready with portable chargers. It's a lifesaver for navigation, music, and keeping kids entertained. Fun fact: the average family uses 3 devices on a road trip. Don't let a dead battery ruin the fun. We once had a phone die right when we needed directions. Ever tried navigating with just a compass? Not fun. Different states have different rules. From speed limits to tolls, know the road rules wherever you're headed. Did you know speeding tickets can cost up to $300? Drive safe, save money, and avoid those fines. We learned the hard way when we got a speeding ticket in a small town. The town's only restaurant was Officer Bob's BBQ. Go figure. Long drives can be tough. Take regular breaks to stretch, explore, and recharge. Fun fact: a 10-minute break can reduce fatigue by 50%, so stop often and make the journey part of the adventure. We once found a roadside dinosaur park during a break. It turned out to be the highlight of our trip. Capture the moments. Whether it's photos, videos, or a travel journal, documenting your journey makes memories last a lifetime. Did you know 75% of families say they cherish road trip photos the most? Click away. Our car selfies are now legendary, especially the one with everyone's hair blown by the wind. Classic. Not everything goes as planned, and that's okay. Embrace the unexpected and enjoy the spontaneous adventures. Fun fact: 60% of road trippers end up enjoying unplanned detours more than their original plans. Go with the flow. One of our best trips included an unplanned stop at a llama farm. Yes, llamas, and it was awesome. A well-maintained car is key to a smooth trip. Check your oil, tires, and brakes before you go. Statistically, 40% of breakdowns are preventable with basic maintenance. Don't let a car problem spoil the fun. We once forgot to check the tire pressure. Let's just say flat tires and road trips don't mix well. Lesson learned. Last but not least, have fun and enjoy the ride. Road trips are about the journey, not just the destination. Did you know that 90% of families say their best memories are made on road trips? Make every mile count. Our best family moments often happen in the car, from singing off-key to silly car games. It's these moments that make road trips unforgettable. Thanks for joining us on this road trip adventure. We hope these tips help you create unforgettable memories on your next journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel hacks. Happy travels, road warriors!